Hi everyone, welcome in another session of data analytics. So today we are going ahead with the week 3 project discussion. Okay, so let me just share my screen. I'll then start off. Okay. Yeah, hopefully my screen is all visible to you. So this week we are going ahead with the EDA project with Python and R programming. So basically you need to do the EDA part of it, like EDA project basically, that is exploratory data analytics part with Python, with both Python and R. Okay, so how you will be proceeding it? Let me just clarify this part. So since this is the project for Python and R, don't worry about it because here only Python is mentioned, but you have to take it to the R as well. Okay. So with R as well, you have to take it. So as mentioned, Python and R would be this week's project tools. So for Python and R, basically you will be taking it down with the Python part first. Like you will just take the raw data set, you will load the data set in Python, convert it into data frame, and then you will be just doing checking how the data is all about and going ahead with the pre-processing of the data, all of the major pre-processing part that is required that you will be completing in Python. Okay. Then you will be converting the data frame, like after pre-processing the data frame that you're getting, like the pre-processed data you're getting, right? Then that data frame you'll be converting to CSV using pandas. You can do that. So, and you will download that. Okay. And you will use that CSV file in R, and you will go down and do the visualization in R. Okay. And here in Python also you have to do the visualization. The visualization you have to do in both in Python also and R also, but try to make it in a different format. Like suppose if you are doing a bar chart for suppose age versus cholesterol level, if you are taking this kind of data set, that is health based data set that contains the age parameter that you have changed with this like the you have done the feature use engineering and have converted into which age group. So if you are just comparing the age group with the cholesterol in a scattered plot in case of in Python. Okay, just make sure that you just change it with any other plot. Like maybe you can use a line chart, or you can use any of the bar graphs to showcase the cholesterol level with the age group. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Also coming down here, basically we have got different projects up here. So there are from 1 to going down. Let me check. There are 25 projects that are being mentioned up here. So you can choose any one and work with it. Okay. So how you will be doing that? That I'll be showing you. What template you will be following for Python, that I'll be showing you. So for Python, you will be using Google Colab because that is easy to access, and you get a text field and a coding field out there. So that is easier for you also and for us also to see. And also you can just share the Colab file, right? So that is a part. And for R, you'll be using R Studio. Okay, the way we have used in the session, the same way. Okay, coming down with the template for Python. Okay, so this is the template for Python that you will be taking. So there would be a proper project name. This template I have also followed when I have showed you how to do the data processing in Python and how to do the rest part of it. The same way you will be working. Okay, so there should be a proper project title. What type of project it is? It is the e-commerce based. It is a what is the domain basically that you will be writing, and what kind of project that also you will be mentioning up. Okay, so you'll be mentioning that this is a EDA based project. Right. Next, contribution, you will go down for teams and you will go down for individual contribution, not the team contribution, because for this internship, all of the project that you will be working on, all would be the individual project. No team project is there. Okay. So you'll be mentioning individual project and you'll write your name. Coming down, you'll be adding the project summary. So you'll be adding a project summary that would be of 500 to 600 words that you will be putting a project summary. You can skip the GitHub link here. Then you can put in the problem statement. So you will be adding a proper problem statement. Then you will go down for the coding section. First, you will import the libraries. You will import the libraries. Then you'll go down for dataset downloading. The same way you will be doing, you will be connecting your Google Colab with the Google Drive. Okay, the way I have showed you in the session, the similar way you have to do it so that your Google Drive get connected, get mounted with the Google your Google Drive, your Google Colab is getting mounted with the Google Drive so that you can access the data set directly from the Google Drive. Okay, and in Google Drive, in a specific path, you will be uploading the data set and you will be giving the path up here for easier access. Okay, then you will be converting that to after loading, you'll convert that to data frame and you will make a copy of the data frame. Okay, and then you will do the data set first view. For that, you will be using df underscore clean dot head, or you can use df, that is the name specifically. Df is the data set. Df underscore clean is the copied version of the data frame. Okay, so you can do whatever suits to you. You will be using that dot head, you will be using, and dot tail you will be using to showcase the first 5 rows of the data set that you have choose and the last 5 rows of the data set that you have taken. Okay, then you'll go down to data set rows and column count. Then you'll go down to data set information. After that, you will answer this question: what do you know about the data set? This is the text part. You will be answering after all of this, what are the information that you have about the data set. Okay, then you'll move down with understanding your variable part. In the understanding your variable part, you will go down and go down for the dataset columns name and the dataset count, how like a dataset column counts. Okay, so that you will be doing, and then go down for dataset description. Okay, next, you will go down for variable description. Like if I am going down with this data, like UCI heart disease that I have already performed in the session. So here you can see there is a column description. All of the columns that are there in the data set, you get a detailed description of it. So you'll copy it from here and you'll paste it. Okay, so this is specific to UCI heart disease data. So what data set you will be taking, you have to explain what each of the columns are there. In some website you will be getting it inbuilt. In some it is not there. You have to just understand it, and based on it you have to give the details. Okay, and then you'll go down for data wrangling process. All of the different data wrangling process that you'll be using, like missing values, how to treat the missing value, outliers, outlier detection and treating, going down duplicate value, finding out if there is duplicate, treating the duplicates, and many more. Like how you are doing the feature engineering, going out with the feature selection, going out for the checking if there is class imbalance or not. Everything you will be checking in data wrangling part. Okay. After doing that, after just you have found out the areas where there needs to be treated, like missing value, duplicate values, outliers. After you have detected them, then you will go down to treat them, right? You will, after treating them, you will, everything would be stored in df, right, in your data frame. So that you will be just convert that data frame to CSV and you will download that. Okay, for this project. Okay, and going down, you like that part. is done in Python only. After that part is done, you'll go down to visualization. Okay, so you'll understand the relationship between the variables. So for this, you will be including minimum 15, 10 to 15 charts for the visualization. Okay, so hope I have made myself clear. For EDA with Python, you have to include 10 to 15 charts. Okay, and after you have plot the chart, you will answer this question: what are the insights you have found out from the charts? Other part you can skip. You will just include this section, that what is or are the insight that you have found from that specific chart. One chart, then this question with the answer, then second chart, then again this same question: what are the insight found in the chart, and the answers. Okay, after the visualization, you will enlist what are the insights you have received from the chart. So like this, you have to include 10 to 15 charts, including heat map. Okay, this goes with the Python part. Then comes down to the R part. The CSV file that you have just downloaded, you will get it here. You will get it here after you have just run the code. So you'll download this. You'll get the option of downloading. So you'll download that and you will load that pre-processed data set in R. Okay. And after that, you will go down and do the visualization using ggplot2 in R. Okay, hope I have made myself clear. This is the task that you need to do in case of this week, that is third week, that is doing the EDA project using Python and R both. Okay. After that, you will be moving down, like this is done with the project. Next, you will just go down with the you'll be just going down with the project presentation. You will be recording the project presentation. That should be max to like that should be minimum 7 to 8 minutes, and max you can stretch till 30 minutes. Okay. So like that, you have to explain each and every section, each and every code you have to explain. What are the insights you have got from the chart? Everything you have to explain in details. Okay. After you have done that, you will be just going down and uploading that video in the Google Drive, and you will share us the link in the mail. Okay, make sure after you are done with the project within the deadline, you have to share us the mail. If you are missing out with the deadline, your project won't be taken further for the evaluation. Make a note of it. Okay, so you will be sharing your project through mail. How you'll be doing that? There should be proper project title in the subject. Project submission should be mentioned with the project title and the week name. Okay. Then you will move down with proper salutation. Then you will be adding the whatever be the line you can want to add, and then you will go down for the attachment. Do a brief introduction somewhat related to the project that you have put in the mail. Don't make it too huge, just max to max 1 or 2 lines. Okay, so that we get an idea this is the project all about. Then in the attachment, you will be attaching the data set, you will be attaching the collab file, you will be attaching the R file, .r file. Okay, so this is how you will be doing it, and then you will be moving it then, and you will be going down with that, and you will be you will be not attaching, you will be placing the GitHub link and the project presentation that you have created, the link of that in the mail, and then you'll share the mail. Make sure that you add your name and your what from which domain you are pursuing this internship, that also you will be mentioning. Okay, and you will be sharing the mail. Okay, so this is how you need to work with this week project. So this week project is totally dedicated with Python and R programming. Hardcore programming part would be there for this week project, so make sure that you complete it accordingly, and just make sure that you do the visualization first. Go down for univariate analysis, then go down for bivariate analysis, then go down for multivariate analysis. Do some of the comparative plots, some of the pair plots and heat map, so that we can get a better understanding when you are comparing some of two fields together, two charts together, we get a better understanding of it. Okay. So thank you everyone. Hope I have made myself clear. Don't miss out the deadline. Make sure that you just submit your project within the deadline, and all other details will be communicated to you through the WhatsApp channel. So stay tuned in the WhatsApp channel. Everything will be confirmed and cleared to you in there. By there, okay? So all of the links, all of the major details would be shared in the WhatsApp group itself. Okay. And till then, keep on practicing and make this project well, so that it is like you get a good performance evaluation score up till the end of the project of this internship, basically. Okay. So thank you everyone for connecting in today's session. And as I have mentioned already, I have showcased you the report. Hopefully you are preparing the report, because we you have to submit it at the end of this internship when you will be submitting the major project, so that you have to submit it. So it would be better if you can just keep on doing this, so that at the last or at the end you don't feel extra pressure, burden, or stress. Okay, so thank you everyone for connecting. We'll connect in any other session. Thank you everyone. Bye.